This is Samsung data powered. The power is faulty. I want to replace the diode. I'm now testing the diodes with multimeter. I insert the diode to the circuit now. Now so dry. I remove the faulty MOSFET. I install the power modules and I solder it. I now plug it to electricity and I test the output voltage, and all voltages are present. After I finish working on the power, I now put it back to the device and I press the power buttons and the device is on. I now plug speaker to the device and it's playing now. So the set is now